Sometimes you don't have to use JavaScript or CSS in order to make cool stuff. Actually, you can do it with just HTML. There is unused HTML out there, and most people don't even know it exists. Maybe you do though, I don't know. Here are 8 fascinating HTML tags. Number 1. Accordion. The summary tag defines a visible heading for details tag. You can click on the heading to view or hide the details. Number 2. Color picker. Cool and easy ways to create a color picker with just simply using the input tag and setting the type value to color. You don't have to use JavaScript to do it. Cool, right? By the way, the default color is #00, which is black. Number 3. Autocomplete. The data list tag is used to provide the autocomplete feature for input elements. You're gonna see a drop-down list as you type in. Again, no JavaScript involved. Number 4. Progress. The progress element represents the completion progress of a task. Number 5. Call mommy. This is mostly used. It can be done by just putting your phone number on the href attribute. Easy. If you're visiting a website using your phone, it will intend to your phone dialer. Number 6. Ins and del. This tag allows you to display editing revisions with markup. The ins tag highlights what's been added to the document with just an underline, and the del tag shows what's been taken out with a strike through. Number 7. Meter. The meter tag represents either a scalar value or a fractional value. Number 8. OPTGROUP or option group. The option group tag is used to create a grouping of option elements. The browser will render the options in the group as a list. The option group or OPTGROUP element can be nested with another option element. I hope you find these HTML tags helpful. Please consider hitting the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.